These are homemade McDonald's style chicken nuggets, and they're pretty close to the original thing. They're crunchy on the outside and soft and fluffy from the inside, and the best part about this recipe are the simple ingredients that go in making these McDonald's chicken nuggets. Seriously, it's so simple. So let's get started. Okay, so the main thing we need to know is that these McDonald's chicken nuggets are coated with tempura batter. What is tempura batter? Tempura batter is made from 3 key ingredients: flour, egg, and cold water. The main difference between tempura batter and conventional batter is that it uses significantly less oil and no breadcrumbs. In result, it gives you a delicate, crispy result that is lighter than conventional batter. Alright, so enough talking, let's get on with the cooking. We're going to take 3 chicken fillets, boneless, skinless, and diced. Place it in a food processor and then add 1.5 teaspoons salt and 1 egg. We're going to blend this until we get a paste-like consistency. Next, we're going to put some corn flour in a bowl. You can take a plate or a shallow container. Now with your hands wet, take a handful of blended chicken and shape it into a nugget. Just like this, and then cover the nugget with corn flour. Make sure to shake off the excess flour and put it aside. And we're going to do the same with the rest of the blended chicken. Now let's prepare the batter for the final coat. Grab a fairly large bowl and add 1 cup of cold water and 1 egg, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of mustard sauce, and finally a cup of flour. Now give it a good mix until you end up with a thick batter. Next, place 1 nugget at a time in the batter and then place it on a baking sheet. Now freeze this for at least 1 hour, and that is important for the batter to stay intact. Next, we're going to preheat some oil. Make sure it's well heated and carefully slide in the nuggets. Once you have the nuggets in oil, turn the flame to medium and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. During the process, make sure to turn the sides and wait for it to turn golden brown. And that's it. So this was the copycat McDonald's chicken McNuggets recipe. Seriously, these turned out real good. The texture, the taste, the flavor is crispy from the outside, soft and fluffy from the inside, and you can also store these in your freezer in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag, and they will be good for a month at least. So hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to the channel and like recipes like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.